In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sell print-on-demand tote bags with Printful. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Creating and selling tote bags online can be a fun and profitable venture, especially with the ease of platforms like Printful. So let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to head over to Printful's website. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up. It's a straightforward process. And if you already have an account, just log in. Once you're in, the first step is to navigate to the area where you can create your product templates. To do this, look for the Product Templates option on the dashboard. This is where the magic begins, as you'll set everything up for your tote bags. Now, click on Create Product. Here you'll find a search bar where you can look for specific products. Type in tote bags. You'll see a range of options pop up, each with different styles and sizes. Go through them and select the one that suits your vision for your tote bags. Once you've made your selection, simply click on Start Designing. Now, it's time to get creative. You'll be prompted to upload your design. This could be anything from a logo to a fun graphic or even a quote. Once you've uploaded it, you can start positioning and resizing your design on the tote bag. And remember, you don't want to cram all your elements into a small space. Give your design some room to breathe. After you've adjusted your design to your liking, take a moment to preview the product. This is crucial because it allows you to check how everything looks and ensures your design placement is spot on before you create the template. If everything looks good, click on Save Product Template. This will save all your hard work. Next, we'll move on to connecting this product to your online store. Head back to the main menu and look for Stores. Click on it, and you will see the list of your connected stores. Select the store where you want to sell your tote bag. Once you're in, you will see an option to Add Product, or you might also find Add Product from Template. If you created a template earlier, it might be the easiest route, so select your tote bag template. Now you're in the home stretch. It's time to fill in essential details about your tote bag. Start by adding a catchy product title that will grab your customers' attention. Then, craft a compelling product description that highlights the benefits of your tote bag and what makes it unique. Don't forget to set a price. Make sure it reflects the quality of the product, your design, and factors in your profit margin too. Once you've filled in all the details, it's time to review everything. Double-check the product to ensure that your design looks great and that the shipping information is accurate. It's so important to get these details right before you move on. When you're ready, look for the option to Submit to Store or simply Publish, depending on how your store is set up. With just a click, your tote bag is now officially listed in your online store. And there you have it. You've just learned how to sell print-on-demand tote bags using Printful. It's an exciting journey from concept to creation, and now to sales. Don't forget to market your new tote bags through social media and other channels to gather attention. If you found this helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Thanks for watching.